Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about how to take a screenshot on Windows 10. There are mainly three methods: print screen button, snipping tool and new screenshot feature. I'm going to show you all of these methods in this video. Let's move. Okay, the first method is print screen button. This is the oldest method, comes on Windows operating systems that we can use to take screenshots, and this old method is still available, and now we are going to try this method. To try this method, you have to find the print screen button on your keyboard. It is right here most of the times, and some keyboard layout have different place to this button, but all the keyboards have this button, so just find it and press it once. Okay, anything doesn't appear, that's okay. And now do this: go to the start and search paint and open the paint application, and right here you can see a paste button. Just paste it. Now you can see our screenshots paste here, and just go to the save, and I'm going to save it on my desktop screenshots folder. This feature is print screen. Okay, and just save it. That's all. Okay, we've done with the print screen button method, and this is the screenshot that I take with that method. And now we have moved to second method, snipping tool. To get a screenshot with snipping tool, do these things. Okay, go to the start and type snipping tool, SNIPPING. Okay, open it, and this is the snipping tool. Now let's see how to take a screenshot on snipping tool. Just click the new, and we can drag and select a area to get our screenshot. We can use the full screen or any area on your screen. I want to get this area as my screenshot. Drag it and just okay. Now you can see our screenshot is here. Then go to the save snip, and I'm going to save it on screenshots, and snipping tool. Okay, close this, and now you can see the snipping tool screenshots also appear here. Okay, the last one and the latest one is new screenshot feature. Let's try this now. To use this method, you have to press three keys on your keyboard: Windows, Shift and S. First, press the Windows button and hold it, then Shift button and hold these two buttons, then press the S. With these three keys, you can use the new screenshot feature: Windows, Shift and S. Let's try this: Windows, Shift and S. Okay, then you will appear this kind of tool, and click your left button on your mouse and drag the area and leave the left button. Then you can see this kind of message. Click on it, and this is the new screenshot feature. The name of this feature is Snip and Sketch. You can see your screenshot is there, and save it. I save it as Snip and Sketch. Okay, Yeah, I'm going to the screenshot folder. Now we done with three methods: print screen, snipping tool, and snip and sketch. Okay, now I'm going to show you an additional amazing feature of the new screenshot method. First, I want to change the name snip and sketch. Yeah, uh, the print screen method and snipping tool we can use to take a screenshot, but without save our screenshot we can't use screenshots to any of our workings. Okay, but this feature will gives you a chance to use our screenshot without saving anywhere. Okay, let's see how to do that. First, take a screenshot as usual. Press the Windows button, Shift button, and S button. Okay, take your screenshot and you will see this message, and click on it and go to snip and sketch. Okay, now no need to save it, just press the copy button. Yeah, this button, copy, and then go to the application that you want to use your screenshot. I want to use my screenshot on Microsoft Word. Okay, then just paste it. Yeah, now you can see your screenshot. I'm not saving this screenshot anywhere, just take the snip and copy and paste. Okay, cool. This is the end of this video. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button, comment below, and share this with your friends. If you like this kind of computer tricks, subscribe to my channel and enable your notification bell, and I will upload new video every week. Thank you. Stay with us and see you again. Bye bye.